To the Coastal Craft Film channel. Today I'm going to be showing you some accessories for the Fitbit Versa 2. I had my Fitbit Versa 4 before, but the Versa 4 actually has a big flaw. It doesn't support the apps from the Fitbit store, which is kind of odd for a newer model. So I reverted back to a Fitbit Versa 2 and I got this accessory. So this is what I mean. Let's see here. Like for instance, as you can see on my Fitbit Versa 2, I could actually download some extra apps. Like this is fitness apps. You could download a game like Snake Game. You could download even chords for ukulele, which is really cool. A Flappy Bird game. So this is pretty it's a deal breaker for me because I really like those. The most important app that I was looking for was like a to-do list, so I needed a to-do list. So I reverted back to a Versa 2 and gave up my Versa 4. So here are some accessories that I got for it. So I always protect my watches or phone with a tempered glass cover. So oops, I just fell. So here is it came with 3. They're just the basic black covers. So you can like clear the screen. This is my other Versa I gave my old Versa to my kid, so she has her own Versa now too. So it's nice that it came with like a cleaning wipe, and then you can dry them with a second. And then you just dry it off. So just remove this. There's a backing here. Let's see what I'm gonna use. It's just a black. Remove that backing and line up the edges. Make sure you line up the edges. Anyway, so there's this button, and there's this hole. So you line it up like so. Let's see if it'll fit. It's actually really snug. So that's really snug. It's nice. So you've got your thing protected. The second accessory that I want to show you is stretchy bands. So this is the original, I think this is a special edition band that I have. It is nice. It's made of canvas and it's thick, but it's not very comfortable. It's hard to take off, so maybe I'll use it from time to time, but I want to change it. So to change it, just remove this strap, and there's a variety of colors. So let's see, I like this teal one. There's a gray one. So there's so much to choose from. So it came with 8 colors, and my Fitbit is originally gray, so I might choose like one of the darker colors like the gray. So the only thing that I do not like about this is they didn't came with a pin, so I would have to remove the pin from my old one and put it in this new. So let's see. Might just use the black since the outline of my Fitbit is black. So you would have to reattach the pin. So I have a pin here. Yeah. You just have to reuse your old pin. To attach this, just flip over your strap and do one side. Then you would have to insert the other side.
How do you get this on?
So this one is already attached. I got the other side. So here is the band. You can adjust it. Just wear it like so. You can easily take it out. You can easily adjust it. So that is our video for today. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.